Gudiga IEBC ayaa ugu baaqay madaxda kala duwan ee u duloolamaya tartanka doorashada fooda ay nagu soo haysa ee 9 bisha Agoosto in ay dhammaan ka wada shaqeeyaan nabadgelyada iyo xasiloonida deegaanada kala duwan ee kaambeynada ay u tagayaan sidoo kalena colaad aysan ka dhex abuurin shacabka Kenyaanka ayaga walaalaha ah. Wafuli Jokubati oo ah gudoomiyaha gudiga IEBC ayaa waxa uu sheegay in la doonayo dhammaan siyaasiyiinta in ay mideeyaan shacabka maadaama maalmaha doorashadu ay dhammaanayaan kadibna ay harayso Kenyaannimada iyo waliba oo wadaaga taasi oo aysan jirin wax loo dhigo isla markaasina ay muhiim tahay in wada shaqeyn iyo xasilooni dalkani uu ku sii waaro.
Let's let the politicians, the political leaders and the political parties conduct their affairs in a peaceful manner in accordance with the code of conduct. So far they have done well and we want them to maintain peace for the remaining 25 days to the elections. On the part of the Commission, we have prepared almost everything. We have all materials have been brought into the regions, ballot boxes, almost all non-strategic materials and have been brought into the respective counties. What we are just waiting to deliver in the last week are ballot papers. Those ones will be delivered. A number of them have already arrived in the country. They are in our central warehouse in Nairobi, but they'll be delivered to the regions during the first week of August. The other thing going on is training. Training of poll officials is also ongoing. And the training is very, very important because these poll officials, especially temporary officials, the presiding officers, deputies, clerks, those are the ones who are going to run the election at the polling station. So it's important they are trained, they understand their work and the code of conduct. They'll also, after training, take an oath of secrecy of the ballot, and they are bound by the laws of the land. The Election Offences Act binds them, and they'll be told that during the training. And also, apart from training, I think logistics, the Commission is ready. So generally, we are ready to deliver the election on 9th of August, and ours is just to ask Kenyans to turn up on that day and go and vote, to exercise their democratic right. So that is the message which I want to leave to the people of Vihiga. Yeah, thank you. Actually, I was in Luanda here since yesterday. I have not had time to look at the judgment of the Supreme Court and discuss with my team at the Commission. As a Commission, then we shall look at the issues and maybe get back to the country on Monday or Tuesday the next week. Because I've been involved in these arrangements of bereavement and I've not had time to interrogate that issue. Yeah. Thank you. Yes. In this coming election, we shall not have braille materials for in form of ballot papers, but it's work in progress. As a commission, we have actually moved a step ahead. Like now, we have voter education materials in braille, and going forward is one of the recommendations we are going to implement in the upcoming elections. But for this time round, we did not have a budget for that. But we shall then factor in that budget, and for future elections, we shall ensure that we have braille materials, especially ballot papers. If we shall be using ballot papers, then they'll...
Question. Usually blind people, we allow them to come in the polling station with an assistant who takes oath of secrecy and helps them to vote. Should they not come with the assistant to help them, we, as the presiding officer is trained in such a way that the